Today we are going to make Ambarella curry. Ambarella, or Spondius dulcis, is a tropical fruit that's from a fruit-bearing tree, as June plum, golden apple, dwarf golden plum, Indian hog plum, and Maycock fairing. This succulent summer produce has very many advantages for human health, such as immune system, preventing heart ailments like arteriosclerosis, myocardial infarction or heart attack, enriching skin texture, and maintaining optimal vision. It thrives in a very hot, humid climate in the tropical zones of Asia and Africa. This is in India, in Sri Lanka. We're going to start with coconut milk as one of the main ingredients. As you can see, we have all the ingredients here ready for our Ambarella curry. We're going to also include salt. We have these in beautiful bowls on the Sri Lankan island. We're going to have chili paste, turmeric paste that we've already made up ahead, onions, purple onions sliced. We have these beautifully laid outside curry leaves on a blanket. On this beautiful island, we also need kokachi and our Ambarella fruit. All of this grows naturally on our Sri Lankan village. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to take the Ambarella fruit and we're going to slice it on our knife. Our knife is built into a wooden plank for easy slicing. As you can see, it's very sharp, and we're going to take the skin off of the fruit. Then we're going to slice the fruit. It's a little bit of the texture is very hard, kind of like an apple, but once it's cooked, it tastes very good, like a plum. So we're going to take a few of these fruits and put them in water in a bowl to soak. Looks like there's at least probably 10 of the fruit. And we're just going to keep going because we pick these off of a fresh Ambarella tree, so we can make this beautiful recipe and use as much fruit as we need to. Next, we're going to put the soaked Ambarella fruit into the coconut milk. We're going to add the salt for flavoring. We're going to put in the purple onions. Kachuka. And next comes the turmeric paste. And next we're just going to get like a kind of a fistful of the chili paste for flavoring. And all of this is going to be mixed up in the coconut milk, and it's going to become thick. And then the curry leaves for the flavor. rinse our hands. We're going to tear the curry leaves by hand so that they're nice large chunks of the curry. These can be dried, but these are definitely fresh. We're going to put all of this recipe on the open fire. Isn't this beautiful how it's cooked on the open fire in this very strong iron pan? It's going to reach a boil. And it's going to thicken as it's stirred. Doesn't that look good with that fruit and the spices? I'm sure it's very tender. You got the curry leaves and the chili in there. Next we have another spice. It's like pepper. Some very good flavor. We're going to take it off the fire and let it cool. Looks like that was cinnamon. It kind of looks cinnamony. That would be very good. And then after it completely cools, you can see it looks really different. Lots of spices in there. Could be oregano. Some spices combined. Look at this homemade spoon. Hi, I'm Sweet Sue, and I'm cooking amazing recipes. We have village cooking that it's cooked on the outdoors, an open fire. These are amazing recipes to watch. Like this one, for example, it's stringing batter into very hot oil. And this can be flavored into like onion rings, or you could do like not potato chips, but like batter chips. And then you can also have it as a dessert underneath fruit, like it's a little cookie or a cake. So this is a very unique type of cooking where it cooks very fast and it's made out of a batter cooked outside over either an open fire or a very hot stove. We have recipes from start to finish. If you like these recipes and also enjoy watching our videos with village people and different other recipes such as stir fry and also air frying, then please consider subscribing. Simply click my picture to the right side of the screen on the bottom, and you will see all of our recent uploads. We appreciate it, and it will grow our channel.